Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to change Facebook password. So let's take a look how to do that. Maybe somehow or some cases you looking for how to change your Facebook password. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to click in your open your Facebook application. After open your Facebook application, and down you will find something say menu where you see your profile icon or etc. And click over there, and then upper side you will see there is a gear icon. Simply click this gear icon, and then we will see skin appear just like this. Here something say Meta account center. Simply click over there, and then we will see new skin appear. From here you will find something say account settings section. You will find there something say password and security. Simply click over password and security, and you will see skin appear just like this. You need to click here change password. From here it say choose a password, so we're going to choose a Facebook, and then it's going to appear. From here we will see something say current password, so you need to type your current Facebook password, and then if you want to add new password you can simply type here new password and type the same password, and you need to click here, simply click change password. After click change password, your Facebook password going to be changed successfully. So in this simple way you can easily change Facebook password. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.